In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you step by step how to create filters on Jira. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Jira like you usually would and then log into your account. Now from here, it should look something like this. And as you can see over here under filters, I have no filters at all. As you can see here, you don't have any filters. But to change that, you'll simply need to go up to the search bar up here and then click view all work items. Now from here, you can see all work. And now from here, you'll need to find your specific filter and integrate it inside of here. So let's just choose the status right here and click done, like so. And as you can see here, I have one done right here. And now let's save that as a filter. And to do that, you'll simply need to go over here to save filter, like so. And then from here, we can add a name for it. Let's just call it done one. You can also add a description. You can add viewers, whether or not it should be private. You can add editors, and so on and so on. From here, you'll simply need to click save, like so. And as you can see, done one filter has been saved. And you can also check that down here, that the done one will be visible under filters right here. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!